You might think you need a full-blown website to make money with digital products, but I've consistently made over $100,000 every month this year without a single website. And it's not just me, because one of my top students, Lila, with less than 900 followers, did this completely faceless and made $5,300 per month without a single website. I'm talking no homepage, no blog, no contact form, just one powerful AI system that runs on semi-autopilot. And right now, I'm going to show you exactly how she and dozens of other people are doing it in this video. If we haven't met yet, my name is Richard, and I help complete beginners sell done-for-you digital products that they don't have to make themselves and sell them on repeat with AI. And if you only stick with me for the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how I consistently make over 100 grand per month and take complete beginners from, I don't know what the heck I'm doing, how do I even use AI, what is a digital product, and I take them to making daily sales using smart, simple AI systems. Some of them are making the first 1,000, other people are making 10 grand, and some even cross the $30,000 per month mark, all without ever building a website. So let's break down exactly how they do it. First things first, my students and I do not have traditional websites. What they do have are high converting sales pages in stores, because instead of spending weeks building a website no one visits, they create a simple link in bio store, not a website. It's simply a central hub where people can click on and see the digital products that they have to offer. Now, the one that I personally use and most of my students use is Allen Store, because Allen Store handles everything for you. It's clean, it converts, and in the best part, it literally takes less than 60 seconds to set up. That means there's no expensive bills draining your bank account, and every customer who goes through the streamlined setup is smooth. It's automated, and it's wildly profitable. And if tech scares you like it does to me, don't worry. This is the most simple form of an online business that you could ever have. You do not need to be a coder. You do not need to understand graphic design at all. You just simply choose the products and you let the system create the store for you. Now, let's talk about the lifeblood of your business, which is generating traffic. And we're gonna do that through Instagram. We're not gonna burn money on advertising. We're going to use organic marketing, where our short form content generates thousands of potential buyers for free. Now, what I recommend is to use Instagram or TikTok. Why? It's very simple, because Instagram will push your content to new people that don't even know you exist, and it will do it for free. That's daily traffic sent to your link in bio store day in and day out. And one Instagram reel could quite literally change your life overnight. That's because new people find them and buy from these stores on a daily basis. I'm gonna tell you about Lila. Lila, one of my students, is 23. She is currently in grad school and also working a full-time job on the side. With zero experience and just having 50 followers, Instagram gave her a shot. She made $900 in less than 7 minutes from done-for-you digital products, and over the course of 3.5 months, she made over $13,000, and she never one time showed her face. You see, you don't need to be an influencer. You just need to solve one problem in your content and point people to your digital product. So right now in the comments, tell me, what exactly is the platform that you're thinking about using? Do you want to go Instagram, TikTok, YouTube? I'll tell you, they all work. Let me know down in the comments and I'll drop some content ideas and personally reply to you. And once you understand traffic, you have attention. But if you don't understand this next step, you'll never be able to convert those people into real customers. And that's going to be, which is what I call the simple funnel. Now, where do you send people to? It's very basic. It's so easy. It's a simple link in bio website store. Essentially, people go from your Instagram content to the link in your bio, which directly takes them to your Allen Store. And this is a page where all of your products live. That's it. And the beauty of Allen Store is that it's not like a link tree. It's a complicated page full of all these different sales pages, product descriptions, and a checkout page. No. Everything is literally done for you. And you always want to make sure that this page collects your emails, because that way it sells way better than just hoping for someone to click on it, because the emails now can follow up and consistently nurture customers that didn't buy in that very moment. And once you're in your email list, customers will now get daily reminders through your emails, and that helps them build trust and eventually leads to them buying more digital products. It's all automated, it's scalable, and these systems are set up to make money while we sleep. And I know this might sound a little complicated or fancy, but it's so much more simple than you think. You really only need 1 or 2 digital products to start. One traffic source, which is Instagram, and your Allen Store, which is a done-for-you AI website. That's it. But if you don't understand this next step, you may risk wasting months on end before you make your first sale, which is what I call the arbitrage advantage. One thing I always tell my mentees is that you do not want to start a product from scratch. Think about the most successful companies in the world. Does Uber own any cars? Does Airbnb own any properties? Does DoorDash food delivery own all the restaurants out there? These are multi-billion-dollar companies that don't own things. They just simply use the concept of arbitrage. And that's exactly what my students and I do with digital products. We don't make our own digital products, we arbitrage digital products that are already created, done for you, that other companies have made. And you just simply connect them with hungry buyers with these digital products. And if you really do want to make your own digital product, no problem. You totally can. And using AI, you could quite literally build one in less than 2 minutes, create once, sell forever. So you have those two options. And you don't need 10,000 followers to make 10 grand a month. You need the right product and a system that converts. And with Allen's Store, you can sell multiple products, your own products that you made or other people's products, all from one simple link. Now, some students will arbitrage digital products for 85% commissions, 90% commissions, and others will create their own digital products and keep 100%. The beauty is that because you're arbitraging, you're not starting from zero, you're leveraging what already works. Like for example, when we go over to allen.store, I want you to take a look at this. Look on the homepage as soon as you're there and look at all of these digital products that you can see that are done for you. And all you need to do is choose a few of them. I recommend no more than 3, otherwise your AI store is going to look a little cluttered and confusing. And then you're going to click on that button that says Generate AI Website. You put in your contact information so they can email you the website, and then you choose whatever color that you want. In less than 30 seconds, a custom AI website is built for you without you ever having to lift a single finger. And look at the sales copy and all the photos of the products that are on this done for you website that the AI made for you. Guys, this is insane. All these photos, even the credit card checkout page information is all made for you. You never had to lift a single finger to make this website. This is the power of using AI tools that do the work for you. But even if you understand how to use AI, if you can't use AI to make good content, then you'll never make a sale. Which takes me to the next step called content creation reality. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Do you actually have to make content? The answer is yes, but you don't necessarily have to show your face, and it doesn't even have to be on camera because AI could literally make the content for you. And I know because I get this question a lot. You do not have to show your face, but you do have to make some sort of content. Whether that's on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, you need to be creating content because content is what drives traffic and brings potential buyers into your world. And if you want to be completely faceless, you can even blur out your face, just like Lila here, or even use AI tools like HeyGen. But remember, if you don't create content, you're not creating traffic. And it's really not that hard to do. This video here is literally 7 seconds, and after 7 seconds, it just loops over and over. Look how simple it is. It's literally her eating a cupcake, doing something, face is blurred out. And if you want to do a face forward, like I personally do, and build a personal brand where people look up to you and you can have impact on others, look at Kayla. She's a mom with 2 kids, full-time nurse, and she's doing this on the side. Look at this 7-second video. It's literally just her sipping coffee, and then after 5-6 seconds, it just rotates. And that one video did 1.9 million views, and even better, generated $8,000 in profit. Or Sean, a full-time nurse, take a look at his content. He literally just holds his phone in his backyard and just talks for 30 to 60 seconds, giving some relationship and mindset advice. And he has a done-for-you relationship therapy digital product, and he's done over $100,000 in the last 4 months. This one profile with videos like this, just simply made by AI, did over 6 figures in sales in the last 2 months. Don't overthink it. Start messy. Pick Instagram, post consistently, and point people to using your Allen Store link. So what's holding you back from posting content? Tell me about it below in the comments, and I'll help you troubleshoot it, and I'll personally try to respond to every comment. So listen up. If people working 9-to-5 jobs, like everyone I've shared with you on the screen, can build $10,000 a month businesses without a single website while working a full-time job with kids while going to school, then what's your excuse for not making your first 1,000 from your phone, digital products, and simple AI tools? Your game plan is simple. Arbitrage 1 or 2 products so you don't even have to make your own. Set up your Allen Store in minutes and post content on IG and grow your email list. Now, if you want to learn the absolute best way to build a digital product business using AI to do 85 to 90% of the work for you, and also a side-by-side comparison with all the other most business models out there so that you can find the best AI business for you to build, then this video right here might just be the most important video you watch before this year is over. So click on this video right now, and I'll see you on the other side.